Hey guys, welcome back to part two of me making my favorite Jamaican dish, stew peas and rice. So this is after my chicken foot and beef is in the pot cooking with my peas. Next up, we're going to add our coconut milk because the coconut milk give it a nice, rich, smooth, creamy consistency, delicious flavor as well. So that's what we do here. After my coconut milk is cooked down, then I go ahead and season my pot. You want to season your pot real good. So I'm going to add my peppers. I'm not able to find Scotch bonnet peppers here, so I have to use habanero. I put about 2 to 3 and poke holes inside of them just so I can get the flavor that I want from the pepper. And of course, I'm just going to make sure I season my pot real good because you do not want a salty or a fresh stew peas, especially because we're not using pigtails, and pigtails are original is the original form of the dish. But because we're not currently eating pork in this house right now, we have to do with chicken foot and beef. I mean, I do miss some pigtail, I ain't gonna lie, because that's the only way I've eaten it. But because we got people in this house that are no longer eating pork or never had pork, we just make it this way for now. Anyway, so this is me just seasoning the pot. After I finish seasoning my pot, I am going to add some spinners to my pot and let it cook down and then share this delicious meal. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and let me know how you make your favorite dish no matter what country you're from. Bye. So right here is where I'm getting ready to start making my spinners for my stew peas as I know it's supposed to be.